I just finished filming this whole video and I look like an alien, so if you want to be an alien girl, keep watching. Okay, so my camera was almost dead, so I had to go and do the rest of my face kind of without the camera on because I gotta get out of here. I got it. Anyways, today I'm doing face jewels as the 2020 makeup trend, so I'm going to be using these little pearls. I got them for like a pack. There's 42 in here. I got it for like $3.99 at Michael's. So I'm going to be using those, and I'm also going to be using the Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. And I'm going to be doing a really simple look today besides the pearls. So I'm going to use the shades Ball of Fire, Flame of Game, Consume. And that's probably going to be it. So I'm going to start with Consume and use this on a fluffy brush as my transition shade. I'm just going to blend this everywhere. And I left powder under my eyes because I don't know if this, if these shadows are gonna have a lot of fallout or not. And I'm not redoing my face, so cute. Okay, now with a more dense brush, I'm gonna take this brighter orange here. I'm gonna start putting that in the lower crease area. I'm just going to stamp it and I'll blend it out. I'm also going to just go ahead and take that shade and put it under my lower lash line to connect it with the top. So for my lid, I'm going to go back in with that same shade I started with, the transition shade, and I'm just going to put that on the lid. Oh, that's bright when you pack it on. I didn't mean for that to happen. That's not what I thought that was going to look like. We're going to stick with it. That's all I'm going to do. 2 shadows. So now I'm going to take this black liner from L'Oreal Paris, Carbon Black. I'm just gonna, very close to my lash line, just stamp that on. Now I'm gonna pop on the Ardell Foamy Quispies. I need my tweezers. Really obviously, like not. Now that I have both eyelashes on, I'm going to take this eyelash curler and just tighten it to where my lashes and the false lashes are kind of blended. A Great Lash Maybelline mascara and blend those together. And then I'm going to use just a black liner in the waterline. Now I'm going to go ahead and dust away the powder under my eye. I'm going to add some blush. I'm going to use the NYX Sweet Cheeks blush in the shade Red Riot. Oops. And use that on my nose too. My mom is gonna say I look like Rudolph, but I think it's cute, so whatever. I think I'm gonna contour my nose just a little tiny bit. I'm gonna use the brown shade in the James Charles palette that I always use. And now I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender. Well, this is not a beauty blender, but it's I forgot what this brand is called. Y'all know these. Y'all know them. I'm going to use this Morphe, I don't know what this is, this palette. I'm going to use this Mirage. Use the same thing for my nose, my brow bone, all the normal spots that I always highlight. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the Morphe setting spray. Continuous setting mist. Is my eyelash coming off, bro? And then I'm going to use this, what is this? Black Radiance Perfect Tone Matte Lip. I don't know what shade it is. It's like a nude, a really nudish color. I'm going to line my lips with this. And then I just got this NYX Liquid Suede, and it's like a bright orange color. We may or may not like it, but we're going to try it out. This is in the shade Orange County. That's a thick orange. Okay, so what I'm going to do is my brown eyeshadow on the outside trick, because I don't like this. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this to the center. And then I'm gonna top that with a gloss because I don't like the matte look today. Well, really never. Forgot to highlight my eyeballs, so add this. And also adding it to like just the inner part of the lower lash line. So again, I got these for like $3.99 from Michael's craft store. I am going to remove them from this paper with tweezers. And then once I have it removed, I'm using lash glue on the end of this. And I think I also want to do one here. I feel like I look like an alien now. I don't know what's wrong with my lashes today, but I'm not a fan. Okay, so where I placed these little pearls kind of makes me look like I'm trying to be like an alien or something, but anyways, I think you get the point. Don't forget to click the like button, comment, subscribe. If the video hasn't already been posted, a video on this hair, how I installed it will be posted, as well as a separate video on how I got these curls using a flat iron, straightener, whatever you want to call it. So make sure you check that out. Yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.